Are you a beginner in learning English? Knowing these 10 common phrases will help you communicate with confidence. First, let's start with the basics. Hello, nice to meet you. This simple greeting can make a great first impression and start a conversation. I don't understand. A crucial phrase for learners. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification, it shows that you're eager to learn. Thank you very much. A gracious way to show appreciation. Use this phrase to acknowledge acts of kindness or assistance. Don't hesitate to say, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. It's a humble admission of error and an integral part of effective communication. If you're in an unfamiliar place, ask where is the nearest restroom. It's a must-know phrase for travelers and anyone seeking facilities. When shopping or making inquiries about prices, ask how much does this cost? It's a simple and essential question to know. Don't be afraid to say excuse me, please. It's a polite way to seek permission or attract attention when you need assistance. If you miss a part of the conversation, say, could you repeat that, please? It's a polite way to have something said again. And finally, goodbye, see you later. A friendly farewell phrase to part ways on a positive note.